Girl Bella.
Hello everybody, guess what I'm doing today? I am getting my eyebrows micro shaded. Yes, I can hardly wait. Yes. And I'm here with Jovi Beauty. Hi! So we are excited. She's gonna go first. So I'm gonna tape a little bit of hers, and then I will try to tape some of mine as well. But when you see me next, we're gonna have some nice eyebrows. See you in a minute. Okay, so we're here, and Jovi is getting her eyebrows mapped out, and just want to ask a couple of questions to our lovely esthetician here. Hi. So, what exactly is micro shading, and how is it different from microblading?
So micro shading is used with the needle, a thin needle, whereas microblading is used with a blade to create the hair strokes.
Say that again. This helps you what?
So the ruler and the lines, this makes sure that everything is even. So I know that each arch is at a 5, her ends are at a 7. So I know that when I do it, it's all gonna be even in the end.
Nice.
They're not twins, they're sisters. Yep. I watch way too much videos on it.
I don't even think mine are related at all.
Distant cousins. You know what it is? All those years of waxing. Yes, that's the waxing messes you up.
What does it feel like, Joey?
Like an annoying perk.
Hold please. Hold please. Hold please. Hold please. Hold please. Hold please. Hold please.
And now it's my turn. Oh gosh.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
here's what they looking like before. No, nothing on them. Jovi looking good. Look, Brown, y'all better act right now. I don't want no stuff.
I don't want no drama, man.
Okay? Y'all listen to the lady and do what she say do. Alright, so we have outline, eyebrows. We're gonna body like,